5 Myths about Hotel Management. When people hear the phrase, hotel management, they imagine visuals of a male chef in a white coat and a tall, white hat. For most people, the idea of a career in hotel management starts and ends with a job of cooking and serving food. But the reality is entirely different. Hospitality and tourism is one of the fastest growing industries in the world today. Through this video, we at Jindal School of Hotel Management debunk some of the common myths about hotel management. Myth number 1. Hotel management is only for students who are weak in academics. It is unfortunate that our society brackets students into categories such as intelligent and weak based on academic performance. The grading systems of our schools have no criteria to judge individuals on their creative abilities, social skills, leadership skills and entrepreneurial abilities. Hotel management studies offer a chance for students with these abilities to shine through and hence disprove the above misconception. Myth number 2. A career in hotel management is unsafe for women. Nothing can be farther from the truth. In the Asia-Pacific region, women make up more than 50% of the workforce in the hotel industry. The Marriott Group of Hotels is ranked among the best companies to work for in India. The Taj Group of Hotels and the Welcome Hotels of ITC Group have some of the best employment practices for women. The popular notion of a hotel being unsafe for women seems to arise from the fact that hotels operate round the clock and women may have to work in late evening shifts. All hotels offer drops to their lady staff members who work in the evening shifts and never force women to work in night shifts if they do not want to. When women work in late shifts, hotels are one of the safest work environments due to their security infrastructure. Myth number 3. To be successful in hotel management, one must be good at cooking. Only a small percentage of the students from Jindal School opt for a career in the kitchen. One of the advantages of hotel management is that you can choose a career option which suits your personality. For those who like to interact with people, jobs options are plenty in the field of hospitality marketing and customer service. Creative individuals can opt for a career in housekeeping operations, or become a food stylist. With the growth of online travel portals and the government's initiatives to boost the tourism and hospitality industry, employment opportunities are going to grow in the years to come. Myth number 4. Hotel management graduates can get jobs only in hotels. One look at our course content and the testimonials page on our website will convince you that this is not the case. Other fields that attract hospitality graduates are event management, airlines, tourism sector, catering industry, blogging and content creation, education and training, food processing and restaurant consulting. Myth number 5. It is better to do graduation before studying hotel management. You do not need any other degree if your interest is in this line. Hotel management studies include management studies, soft skills training and technical skills. A degree in hotel management is also universally accepted for higher studies like masters in business management or tourism. Do press the like button below if you agree with our fact checks and subscribe to our channel to receive fresh videos from Jindal School of Hotel Management, Vadodara.